Alright guys, here what me know. This is what's gonna happen. That was smoke. Oh God, no smoke around him man. Remember saying asthma no good enough. And we enclose. Alright guys, so this is what's gonna happen now. Or what is happening at the moment. He has been offered temporary accommodation. Alright, temporary accommodation he has been offered while somebody is here to put the tarpaulin on the roof. And we're gonna seek some medical assistance for you. So we're still gonna go by the hospital tomorrow, yeah? Early tomorrow morning. Hopefully we have better weather. Hopefully there's better weather. Eh? Oh Lord my God, and I in awesome wonder. Because see, this is soap now, you know, this is that, this no bad soap. And you never different, look come here. Yeah man, you're in a storm out the door man. You show people they want to go outside. Eh? No, Jesus, all that come in too. Look what this here, Jesus.
She carries on something, they see they're free.
Yeah man, make it food go for you.
So like how you do breakfast and
these the people are storm out the door. Storm. Because the weather is causing the internet to be bad, behave badly, so we have to cut the live and come back with a video. Alright, so those who are familiar with the live, this is a continuation via a video, and I'm asking for you to share. And if you wish to assist, it's 1-876-502-5528. This is a matter of urgency. That is for want of a better word. This look a bit more than urgent.
Sorry.
Look a bit more than urgent. Okay? See there now. I bet this enough. And when you step off a bed, see there? Sorry, water. You flush? You get flush? Why?
yeah, I'm more coming.
Eh? The order they didn't fall because the water even coming from out of the doorway out there. So it needs to how that would have gone out because the doorway can't come up the higher, you know?
If you are work,
You can lift a little bit.
So the door go shut. What the height of the door right now? How tall you be? Why you height? Well, I'm happy to see community people are rally around him too, you know. Get feet, he can come down, look up, so he can lift, look up, so water not coming. I'm happy to see community people rallying around. I will if a time we get called to go help people, and when we go, nobody now pay them no mind. So I will look up, a two door you have to have. Okay.
The most of the
Yes, Father God, we are waiting for the rain to hold up. Cannot move. Doggy? Right? I first never stand up so close to one dog. Eh? You go? One? Maybe you run and come.
And if you better than that, I'm up.
Eh?
No, so you look good at it.
One man, look good. You not bother with the umbrella thing. You move faster without the umbrella.
Sorry. Water boot.
Yes, sir.
I look for the water boot upside down. They say water boot if you come down.
So the water boat, what?
They don't like they down here. No, they don't.
Oh, okay. Time for them come down here now. Give God. So, mercy Jesus. I want if I sit no one here saying you want win well. The window them look like them alright.
There's a ceiling bed.
Yeah.
Put
Put on the roof in. And you need a proper door. I will say, talk to make the people them here. Once material come in, man, we work. You know, here people,
from me launch out every month.
every man a launch up. But I like it, you know, I think you're going to love that project. Holy. Me feel excited about that project.
Yeah, but I want people, but I just the centralization. Everybody come together and say, I know, so this is what I'm going to do.
All right. Well, I'm going to be working on it, And I say, you don't know a film fee. There are nobody now come trouble him or nothing like that. Because him saying uncle did lease it. But his uncle did.
Yeah, tell him
Alright. Alright, Mr. Sir. So earlier morning, me and you party, alright?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so bag up your look at something then. I see you have also more rice there, so put it in the bag. Make everything go for yard, man.
All the material, we get the
So you
material.
have one sheet you can put on your bed, and I'm going to bring another sheet for you tomorrow. Alright?
Yeah, man, we don't clean our first place. So we get the material. You know, we can't go.
Then clothes they go and wash out eventually. Not now, because it makes sense to wash them out now and let them have somewhere to properly. But you have to go put yourself together, pack up your look, whatever you want to carry.
Yeah.
Let's lock up down here so good, so nobody now comes to the this day.
You can't go to the canal,
You can't lock up. Listen, keep your thing for you. You can't lock good, you can't lock good.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead.
You don't like that? We not going to rain today.
Already we're ready to move, because we don't wait for rain to stop, we move whether rain or not. Because if you have to get wet, you have to get wet. We're not dead. Water can't kill me. Even though me can't swim. Not true, Papa?
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. You are most welcome. Alright.
So you say when the weather cut off, all right.
Make sure, me I call them later and find out if you're gone up there now.
Walk with us something.
Yeah.
There's a
Carry
walk
this
to
up in.
something.
Carry the bag of
You
food.
know it's style like this.
But that now go wet up.
Wash
That go wet up, you know? The sheet go wet up. Even if the food wet up, you can't go, but the sheet go wet.
We know it.
So later on, me I go call up and I tie him up in a one bag. You know the lick, you know. Come in.
A good boy, this time.
Oh God.
Study.
Me like round here. Me like go a place where people live good. Alright, we just have to work with that one here. Just work with that one here.
Carefully saying no way. Family give this yesterday, we thinking. Pastor
But
back
them something them want to wash. Are you giving?
No,
This
man.
bag?
Where
Which
they?
bag? This sheet? Are you giving yesterday?
Where other bag with the sheet?
See medication here. Put in medication in this.
Alright,
And this one. Hold on, man. We are help you. Here my coffee talk. Lord Jesus. Let me I must see all one them. That good too?
Yeah, man.
Wrap up in a kerchief. Put it in the kerchief.
They know all of them are different than something.
Are the same thing, but I guess he use whichever one come to his hand at the moment.
We get.
Oh, mattress. What you saying? Take care of bed base.
Who do we do with this sheet? When you take out this, you never use it last
Are
time.
this? Are you giving this?
No, me don't know when you do it. Oh, see, you have it just so.
What,
No,
this?
not inside, no.
This
The one blue
This?
no, see.
This? Hold on, Fanny. Hold on, Fanny. Uncle, one day again?
You have the next part funny one, see the under this.
Okay. But you rest them stay. I'm going to cover it with the tarpaulin so you don't get no wet here. More cover over this, I said, way. You understand? So you're going to need to walk with them here.
And your clothes and underpants.
I carry some stuff for you tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright? I have some underpants and them things.
Sorry, man.
Just carry. Just
Just straight on our show.
Yes, straight
Oh, I see room and I'm going to get no master. I said a place like this.
Just around here so nice. Me like around here. Why? We have to make ourselves happy despite the situation. So only take out what you want to wear tonight, alright? We are going to be and put on tonight. And me bring some things for your morning. See? Alright. You're going to sort you out, man. We are going to make you think right.
I saw
I saw, you see why make it pay to live good? You see why it pay to live good? Suppose that man did a man will never deal with people right.
I'm 12 o'clock at night to work for my house and me have been.
Yeah.
So you have to appreciate certain things.
Yeah.
enough man can say, wait. Enough man out there going to do
Do things for her, not charge.
And don't.
And charge it little bit. You have to appreciate. You know when we get from him, so that's why I reach out to you.
Yeah. Alright, Papa. Well,
Let's say you can help one no money.
Each one. Alright, yeah. You not do no smoking also, do you? Okay. Okay.
Do master.
Oh,
As
okay.
much as you see me smoke, yeah. Make sure today say do. All I look for him, nothing smoke, no, I smoke, just looking at him.
I mean, I drama,
I'm a friend. I'm a friend life in a moment.
Oh, that mean I make sure so you not touch us somewhat. Me like that. Alright.
Remember your food, you know. Hang up your bag with the food.
Alright, so me I go cut until tomorrow morning early.
Yeah.
We'll get a little check up. Yeah, man. Me could understand what the doctor say about the kidney. That's what you understanding that you're hypertensive, yes. We know how to deal with that. Understanding that you have a respiratory illness, we know how to deal with that. But when it comes on for the kidney now, we want to hear the doctor say about your kidney. Alright? And you know how I know say your face swell? Me watch your tongue in your mouth. Your tongue, you see it? In your so get puff. Like your tongue never have enough space. You hear his speech? I say normally sound and talk?
No, sir.
Watch your mouth. If you look in your mouth and you talk, you can see the inside puff. So like that come in pan in tongue. Alright guys, blessed love one more time. Remember to hit the share, and it's 1-876-502-5528 if you would like to come on board to render some assistance to this gentleman. Alright? And I will say manpower there, ready for work. All we need is material.
Exactly.
Alright, so doggy, you're going to leave now. You're here? You're here? And make me answer me first before you're ready.
Thank you guys for your assistance. Yeah?
You are most welcome. You're going to make a quick run here now because I move fast. The dog excuse you might get
Just
kicked
make
down.
a slide.
Mr. Me think I get this year. Box cover me now and my phone wet up. Alright, so in the morning, alright? 7 a.m. it is. Alright. Eh? Your mom's name is Miss Jackie. Your sister Miss Jackie, them are good people? Yes. Alright, bless up on yourself. Yes. Can't run fast in the bush and we broke the bam bam. Alright. God bless the water boat here. Alright. I forgot you're not live, me depan. Oh, to the screen with it now, like off, like, Jesus. Oh, me, how many need to know that? It's still not touch. What's the matter with this thing? Really? Video not done. Give me.